Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried rice at home without vegetables. First, the secret to great fried rice is using day-old cold rice. This prevents it from becoming mushy. Gently break up any clumps so the grains are separate. Having everything prepped and ready before you start cooking is key for a smooth process. Get your pan screaming hot. Next, add a tablespoon of oil to your hot pan. Sauté finely minced garlic and ginger for about 30 seconds until they release their aroma. Push these to one side of the pan. Crack 2 eggs directly into the empty space and quickly scramble them. Once cooked, break the eggs into smaller pieces and combine them with the fragrant garlic and ginger. Now it's time to add your prepared cold rice to the pan. Increase the heat if needed and stir-fry vigorously, ensuring every grain gets coated with the oil and aromatics. This step is crucial for developing that signature fried rice flavor. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a small pinch of white pepper. Continue tossing. Continue to stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the rice to heat through and absorb all the delicious flavors. Taste a small portion and adjust the seasoning if necessary, perhaps adding a little more soy sauce or pepper. Serve your perfectly plain fried rice immediately. It's a wonderfully simple and satisfying dish that's quick to prepare.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.